Are you ready to break free from the confines of a traditional job and embrace a life of flexibility and freedom? Imagine choosing your own hours, exploring varied roles, and getting paid the moment you clock out. Welcome to Instawork, where your dream job is just a click away. Discover how you can transform your work life today. It's time to discover Instawork, an innovative platform designed to connect you with flexible job opportunities that fit your lifestyle. Instawork allows you to choose when and where you work. Say goodbye to rigid schedules and hello to picking gigs that match your availability. Whether you prefer mornings, evenings, or weekends, Instawork is tailored to your needs. From hospitality to warehouse jobs, Instawork offers a wide range of positions across various industries. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or seeking a full-time position, you'll find suitable gigs that align with your interests and skills. Who doesn't love fast cash? Instawork enables you to get paid as soon as your shift is over, so you don't have to wait for payday. This is perfect for those unexpected expenses or spontaneous plans. The Instawork app is designed with simplicity in mind. You can easily browse available jobs, read reviews from other workers, and communicate with employers, all at the touch of a button. Instawork isn't just about finding jobs, it's about building a community. Connect with other professionals, share experiences, and support one another in your career journeys. Finding flexible work has never been this easy. By signing up with Instawork, you're not just looking for a job, but embarking on a journey to empower yourself professionally. With a wealth of opportunities available, you can broaden your skill set, network with industry professionals, and gain valuable experience. Ready to change your life? Don't miss out on this amazing platform that adapts to you. Join Instawork today through my link and start your journey to flexible work success. Super sign up with Instawork. On-screen text. https://app.instawork.com/worker. Embrace flexibility, explore new careers, and become a part of a thriving community with Instawork. Your future of work awaits.